I was referred to Dr. Jabs through a good friend who had breast implants by Dr. Jabs. Now, prior to her surgery, she had researched a number of plastic surgeons, and she really did her work, but she chose Dr. Jabs. I subsequently decided to have a breast lift as well as liposuction on my abdomen and my inner and lower thighs. I too was extremely pleased with the entire experience, and I like to say from post-surgery to pre-surgery. I came into the office. It was very nice setting. It was comforting, upscale. The staff are extremely helpful. Agreed, they were smiling. I just felt very comfortable, very at ease. So I must say, I mean, 5 stars. Dr. Jabs was extremely informative. He laid out exactly what would occur, what would happen, and he kept asking me, you know, throughout his consult, did I have any questions? He laid everything out, so I knew there would be no surprises. I felt well informed, very at ease just talking with the doctor. I noticed his diplomas, so he has a great deal of experience, so that's what I was actually looking for. Someone who's experienced. What I liked about Dr. Jabs is that he when he went to medical school, it was for plastic surgery. And I like that because you want to go to someone who is experienced working on people so they, you know, improve their craft. So absolutely, extremely well informed, very pleased, just very pleased with the entire experience. No. Now, at the surgery center, yes, again, I knew what I was, doctor explained to me prior what would happen. The nurses, too, were very helpful. They explained to me in his office. So when I went there were no surprises. I knew I wore something loose-fitting that they could easily take off. Doctor came in to see me one last time, kind of marked me up, but made sure, you know, exactly what was going to be done. He explained to me. They wheeled me in. There was a very nice anesthesiologist that was talking to me. I was put under, and the next thing I know, I was awake, and surgery was complete. I was fully dressed. So I wore the compression garment. Took some time off from work. Not that I needed a lot of time. Maybe took a couple days off just to relax and, you know, just get used to my body again. But I knew immediately after the surgery too, after, you know, I had to clean myself and whatnot, how boy, I could see the results. I was just pleased. Not a lot of pain. He did prescribe pain medication. I don't recall what it was now because I really didn't use it. So. But again, there were no surprises. Everything was fully explained to me, so it was, as surgery can be, it was a pleasant experience. So, it's been 2 years now. Nothing has sagged. My breasts are still nice and perky. The liposuction, but I also run and I eat well too, so the fat hasn't come back. But I'm healthy. I'm back to running. I'm an avid runner, back to running. And I went back to running, I think the doctor told me maybe take a couple weeks off, so I did that. But, you know, went back to running, experienced no complications. So absolutely, I would come back. Again, my girlfriend who initially referred me to Dr. Jabs, she would love to come back again, but she lives out of state too. So, and I have referred him, girlfriends I've mentioned about Dr. Jabs, and so they were saying, well, if they ever considered surgery in the future, you know, they would definitely look him up. So I'm extremely pleased. I encourage anybody, I mean, come into the office.
Hello, this is Dr. Dean Jabs. I'd like to thank Cathy for her testimonial and encourage you to contact me if you have any questions regarding plastic surgery. You can reach me by email at jabs@cosmeticplastics.com or call either the Bethesda or the McLean office. Thank you for looking at this video.